like our daughter, for example, is just growing up in this environment. So she's climbing these tipa trees all the time. The other day she said to me, Daddy, when I die, I want to come back as a flower, and you'll be one of the petals in my flower. And so will my hermanita, my sister, and Mommy will be another flower next to me. And then she said, but really we can't decide what we come back as. Pachamama decides. So I'm just saying there's this kind of like childhood here where it's not an anthropocentric point of view. She's growing up biocentrically. It's no fancy anything, it's just life. Like, never stop improving is like sort of the motto in the West. And what we found here is that it's the opposite. It's that, you know, people are only people through other people and also through this connection to Pachamama or Mother Earth.